Alright guys, thanks for you guys for coming. This end of year function was supposed to be our bigger event, and a lot of the guys didn't come, so unfortunate for that. I want to say thanks to all our sponsors throughout the year. We'll sort out. But the main guys, obviously, Timmels, Earn More, ET Secret Baits, and all the other smaller guys that have helped us with the waters and everything throughout the year. Thanks a lot. Sorry? Yeah, true. Eh? Everyone on my shirt. Thanks to everybody.
Except Rico.
Except for them, yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so I'm going to get started. I'm going to start with the junior for today. And the winner for junior today.
Hey, junior, Robert.
No other than Carlo the toy. He weighed in a bag of 1.530. You would have given some of you guys a run.
Yeah, definitely. Nice one.
Oh, there's one like that to the camera. Oh, sorry. Shake my hand, shake my hand. Get it. Well done, Carlo. Well fished. What did you catch it on?
Crankbait.
Crankbait. All of them. Well done, well done. Fifth spot. Bobby. Well done, Bobby.
What beer? Oh, I'm not drinking now.
And his bag, Bobby, 1.336. The collar kicked your butt.
Yeah, I know. That's how I didn't say anything just now.
Alright, and now in fourth place. Not too far away. Victor. Well done, bud. 1.448. And in third place, Family Fishing Strong, Marika, the toy. Well done. Okay, second place with a decent bag of 1.88 Etienne.
Thank you. And I'm there for tonight, man. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Okay, can you guys guess who won? Okay, and the winner, Fishing Strong this year, he's had a flippin' great season, Jean Dutoy.
Captain America, Rob.
Yeah, it's Captain America. Well done. What did you catch on, John?
Well, this morning early, left this crankbait, rescue set, bounced it on the rocks, and that's what worked. We got the bigger fish.
Nice, well done dude, well done. Alright, and the biggest fish of today.
What was his bag?
Oh, sorry, his bag was 2.398, almost 2.4. Okay, biggest fish of today, but a good fish of 1.1 kilo Etienne.
My supper.
Hold on, buddy. Alright, so overall, from 5th place, he's not here today. I can't remember his surname, Christopher from Crank Brothers. So well done to him, he came 5th place. We put aside. Okay, 4th place overall. I should have actually started with the kilo, I'll leave it to 4th place overall, Trevor. 9.7 total bag weight well done. 3rd place overall, Victor.
Oh, there you go. Oh, keep his ass.
You can do the shaking with him. He gets the trophy. Okay, that's oh yeah, right. That's already a trophy.
I thought you were getting it.
You can do the shake. Okay, let me shake with the trophy. You can shake with the. Is there a certificate for this?
Yeah.
No.
You get straight away.
Second place.
Consistency.
Second and first was it close bag? So the guy who won it like outran everybody. Okay, second place, fishing strong, Etienne.
Well, that was unexpected.
Guys, unexpected.
First.
And the overall winner with a bag of 13.556. Not John, Mornay. Okay, so Mornay gets the overall. He gets that weekend away.
What's the most?
Plus the 1,000 rand cash.
Are you taking me?
Thanks.
Congratulations. I don't know if that shirt's going to fit you. If it doesn't, you can pass it on to anyone else.
Yeah.
Okay, and then sorry, second and third. Eh?
Yeah.
Second and third. Sorry, I forgot about this. I almost took it home. The overall winner of 29 season, Outcast 29 season, none other than Tatiana. I'll hold it for you as you shake. I've got a certificate here for upcoming angler of 2018. Goes to Bobby. Okay guys, the biggest bag of the season, eh? Goes none other than Jean de Toit. His bag was at Bronkhorstspruit.
Yeah, when he kicked me into second place.
4.65, and we all remember that. That was a huge bag.
Yeah.
So well done, John. It was well deserved. Well done. Okay, and then finally, the biggest fish of the season goes to he started more Ernest. As we know, he got that biggest fish at the club dam. It was 2.78, and no one got close to it. No one got close to it.
Dams was taken away before spawn.